Hi, I'm Casey Krebs, the owner of Urban Hippie. Today I will be walking you through a step-by-step process of making Thai lemongrass coconut soup. Please like and leave a comment if you decide to try it out. Let's get started. To begin making the Thai lemongrass coconut soup, take 2 cans of coconut milk. Today I'll be doubling the recipe. If your milk is refrigerated, or even when kept at room temperature, the coconut milk separates and the thick coconut cream surfaces to the top, while the thinner milk is left at the bottom. Using half of the cans, scoop the thicker cream into the pot and set it over medium to high heat. Then set aside, and the rest of the coconut milk will be used for later. I normally refrigerate my coconut milk because I find that the thicker consistency makes it easier to take the cream out of the can. As the cream is melting, add 1 tablespoon of curry paste. Here's a quick tip. If your tablespoon doesn't fit in the jar, 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. Give the mixture a quick stir for a couple of minutes until it begins to sizzle. For the cilantro, start by cutting off the leaves and then chop the stems into chunks. You may need to add a second rinse like I did here, especially if you're using fresh picked cilantro. Add the stems to the pot and sauté for 1 minute. Add in the remaining coconut milk from the previous can and also add in the contents of the second can to the pot and stir. Then add in the remaining ingredients. 5 lime leaves, either fresh or dried are fine. Next, add the lemongrass. If there are any leaves on your lemongrass, please remove them ahead of time. You may need to chop the stalks in half to fit into the pot. Then add the stalks into the broth. Add 2 tablespoons of the fish sauce. If you'd like your soup to remain vegan, you can find fish sauce alternatives that are vegan in many grocery stores. Zest your limes into the broth. Quick tip, rolling out your limes will make them juicier. Half the limes and juice them into the pot. Finally, grate the ginger into the broth and add most of the cilantro leaves, allowing it to simmer for 20 minutes. Add the broth into the pot. After the soup has cooked, remove the lemongrass stalks. Then garnish with cilantro leaves and green onions. You can also add noodles to the soup if you wish. I like to add in rice noodles. They will cook in the broth for about 2 to 3 minutes. This light soup is bursting with flavor and is easy to make in large quantities for your next dinner party. Enjoy! All the granola I make is non-GMO project verified, handcrafted, and has no added artificial colors or flavors. Please check out my website at the link below.